This is a SunUv gel nail polish, which is UV or LED cured. The brand has so kindly sent this over me so I can give you my honest review. And since then, I've been loving them. As a mom, I really can't wait for my nails to dry because I'm always going. So I really need that time to go and it to be done. So I'm gonna quickly swatch out all the nail polish colors so you really get a great idea of what colors are, and then I'm gonna show myself applying them. Cured for about 60 seconds, and we're going to see if the color changes at all. So as you can see, the colors stayed true to what they were, and you will want to put a top coat on when you do this because as you can see, it is still, they do say they stay a little sticky, so you do want to put a top coat on and then cure that again. But let's do the nails, and I think I'm actually going to go with obviously the top coat and base coat, but this beautiful green, this one right here, and I'm gonna add a little bling to the top. All right, let's get it on. I love that it has a super flat brush. It makes applying nail polish super easy to do. And I'm gonna cure this 60 seconds. As you can see, none of the glitter came off while I was applying it. We're just going to do another 60 seconds and we're done. So here is the finished product with that green and gold. It looks absolutely beautiful, and
Mommy, my turn.
It is actually not sticky to the touch, and it took me about 5 minutes to do one hand.
My turn.
So super impressed.
My turn.